Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get navigation on your Infiniti Q50. Many Q50 models, especially older ones, don't have the latest built-in navigation. The best and often only way to get modern navigation is by integrating your smartphone. This approach ensures you always have the most current maps and traffic information right on your car's display, making your drives much smoother and more informed. Smartphone integration, like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, is key. While not standard on all Q50s, you can add it using an aftermarket module. This clever device allows your phone's navigation apps, such as Google Maps or Waze, to display directly on your Infiniti screen. It provides a familiar interface and keeps your navigation experience consistent with your phone. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To get started, you'll need to acquire a specific aftermarket module designed for your Infiniti Q50. While some tech-savvy individuals might attempt a DIY installation, professional installation is highly recommended. This ensures the module is correctly integrated with your car's existing infotainment system, avoiding potential issues and guaranteeing optimal performance for your new navigation setup. Once installed, you'll unlock a world of benefits. You can use your favorite navigation apps, like Waze or Google Maps, directly on your car's screen. Enjoy hands-free voice commands for directions, making calls and sending messages, keeping your focus on the road. Plus, you'll get real-time traffic updates and suggestions for alternative routes, saving you time and frustration.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.